So macOS 26 is one of the biggest macOS updates ever, which brings to your Mac so many new features like the new folder customization in Finder or the redefined Spotlight search with the brand new clipboard history, which stores every single thing you've copied. In this video we will look at all the new features and find out did the update actually made your Mac better. Starting with the brand new liquid glass design, which makes everything look translucent and reflect the light. For example, the icons in the dock have been redefined with a much cleaner, glassy look. The menu bar has become super minimalistic because now it is fully transparent. But it doesn't end here. Apple introduced Control Center, which is fully inspired by iOS. You can now drag and drop items into it and customize it however you want, adding different system controls. The ones I recommend adding are low power mode, night shift and sleep mode to quickly turn off your MacBook with one click. But the truly game-changing controls are shortcuts. They are an amazing way for interacting with your Mac much faster. For example, you can create a shortcut to shorten links or clear your clipboard history, which is super handy. But it's not just the dock or control center. Every app has received a major visual update with cleaner interface and smoother animations, making them more playful and easier to use. By the way, Finder really stands out. Its new liquid glass folder design not only looks great, but also helps you recognize and organize folders better. By that I mean customization, which allows you to change the folder color, add an emoji to it, and customize it however you want. But you can also change the dock icons. For example, you can change the accent color to tint apps in different ways, or switch to a super minimalistic glassy look that fits perfectly with the overall design theme. And to go even further, customize the lock screen by changing the font of wallpapers, which are now in very high resolution. However, let's move on to the single best feature of macOS Tahoe, which is Spotlight search. It's gotten a major redesign both visually and functionally, and has been split into 4 different sections for better navigation. The first is App Search, which now lets you quickly find apps without being distracted by other suggestions like it was before. Then there is File Search, which also has its own dedicated section. By the way, you can toggle different sections with keyboard shortcuts, making it faster to search exactly what you need. But one of my favorite new features, and probably the most awaited one in macOS history, is Clipboard History. Spotlight now remembers everything you copy, whether it's text, images or links, making it super handy to revive something you copied a while ago. I really hope this feature gets over time to iPadOS and iOS to improve the experience even more. Finally, the real game changer is the integration of shortcuts directly into Spotlight. This allows you to trigger specific actions on your apps without even opening those apps. For example, you can create a new reminder or check your calendar right from Spotlight. And you can also use specific shortcuts like the ones we've added to Control Center right from the Spotlight search. However, if you want to discover 8 utilities which can boost your productivity on macOS Tahoe, check out a video over here in which I will show you exactly that. I will hopefully see you there. Thanks for watching this one.